Hey guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Walgreens cheap deals of the week, and they are awesome, guys. We got buy one get one free on tons of items. So let's start with our best item of the week. Is of course it's the storage bags. $3.79. They're on sale for $2.79. Buy one get two free. Make sure you scan this, guys. Okay. No coupon, so we're gonna do the math. $2.79, divide that by 3, 93 cents each. Okay, now I will be picking up some more products that has registered rewards to them. I will apply my registered rewards to my highest price item. Let's get to the Arm & Hammer. The Arm & Hammer has a dice sale. They're originally $8.49. Buy two at $5 each, get two free. So always scan your Arm & Hammer. I'm still teeter-tottering between the blue or the purple. I have a person that buy the purple. So 4 for $10. You have a $2 off coupon. Now that plus sign means you need to claim your coupon. Hit it until it checks and turn green. Then you see that it's $2 off Arm & Hammer. Make sure the products you pick are in that. Now, this is how I do it. I apply it to my cart. And then it said 4 items. I check my cart. See, $2 off 4 coupon applied. So $8 or $2 each. And that's an awesome deal. Awesome. I think I'm going to get the 2 purples. Okay, so I'll pick up those 2. And then I'm going to get 2 of their beads, scented beads to go with it. This is going to go in a bundle. Now, I have Walgreens cash, so I'm going to apply my Walgreens cash to everything I can in my cart, guys. Now, let's look at the Clorox bleach. It's originally $4.49. It's on sale for $3.99. Okay, I love bleach. I have to pick it up. Check for a coupon. $1. Okay, check mark. Need to check it and turn that green. Okay, guys. And make sure your product is there. There it is, $1 coupon applied, making those $2.99. It also works on the Clorox Scentiva. That's 2 for $9. So that dollar coupon will apply, making it 2 for $8 or $4 each. Now the Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner, $4.29. It's on sale for $2.29. Let's scan that. And of course, we have a 50-cent coupon. And that coupon is applied. I apply mine to my cart. If you guys know a better way, let me know, okay? Okay, $2.29, take away 50 cents, $1.79. That's an awesome price for that Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, okay? Now, whatever I have Walgreens cash for, I'll use it. That's how my cart looks. I finally found the magic erasers. They're originally $5.49, guys. The 2 count. I always say the red spots. Okay, it's the red box. They're $3.29. It is a $2 coupon. I did claim that already. Okay, the next one is going to be on the all detergent. It's originally $8.99. It's on sale for $4.99. But scan, we need to see if it's a coupon, as usual. Okay, it is $4.99. It's a $1.50 coupon. I must claim that. Then I hit detail to make sure my product is that I'm buying is there. $4.99, take away $1.50. $3.49 is how much I'll be paying for that. Okay, let's go to the deodorant now. Pick up 2 degrees. They are at $4.99. Each buy one, get one 50% off. Now, once you scan it, you'll see that it is a high valued coupon attached to it. So $4.99, $4 off 2 coupon. There you go. We must hit the plus sign to claim our coupon. Find your coupon down in the products. Let's do the math. $4.99, divide that by 2. So one you'll pay $2.49 for. See how I screwed that up? $7.48. Take your $4 off. $3.48 divided by 2. $1.74 each. That's a great deal for a degree. We're going to get to another body wash deal that doesn't come around all the time. The Suave is on sale for $3.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. But when you buy two, you get a $1 register reward back. So we don't see this deal a lot, guys. Take advantage. $2.49, $1.50 off coupon. I actually have 2 coupons. I'm going to use the one that's $1.50. Do not check both. So let's do the math. $3.49. So $1.74. Take you to $5.23. Take your $1.50 off, $3.73. Or $1.86 each. Now remember, we did get a $1 off 2 register reward. So you can do it the math a different way to make sure that you got this register reward and lower your out-of-pocket even lower. It's telling me that the store doesn't have it, but clearly it has. Okay, the math is $3.49, $5.23 for both. Take your $1.50 coupon, $3.73. Now we have a $1 back cat register reward back on 2, so take that out. $2.73, $1.36 each, guys. These deals in here are awesome today, and Walgreens is hot. Now let's get to the razors. The razors, the Bics, are $4.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. But when you buy 3, you get a $3 registered reward. So $4.99, they're going to be $2.49 for the 50%. You need to add 2 $4.49s and 1 $2.49. Takes us to $12.49, I believe. Now, it is a $6 off 3 coupon. Hit the coupon. Make sure your product is there. Add it to your cart to see if the $3 applied. Take your 6 off. 3 is $6.49. You'll get a $3 off 3 coupon back. $3, so $1.15 each for those Flex Big razors, okay? Awesome deal. I could take that $3 register reward if I want to, apply it to the Oxy, the $1 I could apply it to the sandwich bags, and then use Walgreens cash for whatever else I want to use it on, okay? Great deal, guys. Okay, we're actually on the food aisle. We're going to the Old El Paso Taco Kit. It's hard and soft shells. It has the seasoning. Everything is in this kit, guys. I buy these a lot. Yes, I do. If I want instant. $5.99. So let's scan it, of course. And it tells me that it's $5.49 and that it's a $1 off coupon. Hit the coupon. Buy one, get one free also. So this was a double doozy for us right here. We're going to do the math. $2.24 for each kit, guys. Each kit is $2.24. So that's an awesome deal. But now I buy these for lunch. They're the little Swanson chicken packs, and they're $2.79. Buy one, get one free. So I'll be picking those 2 up right there. They do have some more items that's 2 for $5, but I don't eat fish. Now the sodas, I buy 2 at $9.99, get 2 free. I won't be picking up the sodas, but it's still an awesome deal if you drink soda or if you need some soda. So $19.98 for 4. Makes them $4.49, $4.99 if you want to get that, guys. Use your Walgreens cash. The Pop-Tarts are $4.99. Buy one, get one free also. I scan, guys, looking for a coupon. Always scan. Don't let your app go to waste by not scanning, okay? I'm still a little hoarse, guys. And here's the General Mills is 2 for $5. We have a dollar off 2 coupon, making them $2 each. And the Kellogg's is $5.99, but on sale for $1.99. I did not have coupons, guys. Thanks, guys. Bye.